Plank pose. Between the yoga asanas, we have only a few which strengthens the core, and plank pose is one of the best. From downward facing dog, lower the hip and come to plank pose. The heel, the hip, and the crown of the head should be in one line. See that you're pressing back with your heels and the weight is on the ball of your feet. The legs are parallel. Press up with the back of the knee and your legs should be very straight and firm. If you want to do modification, easier version, then you can come to your forearm. You can place a brick under your arm, or you can lower the knee to the ground with the thighs 45 degrees. These are usually for more senior people. It's very important that in the plank pose you tuck in the tailbone, your buttock, so you engage your core muscles. You should press up between the two shoulder blades and see that your neck is a continuation of the spine. There is no tension in the neck. Very important that you squeeze in between the elbows, the inner elbow and the inner thighs by pressing down the ball of the thumb and the ball of the big toe. If you want to challenge yourself, you can start with variations, for example, the knee to elbow variation. And also you can do a rotation here, knee to one elbow and the other elbow. Maybe if you want to improve your core strength, then you should do at least 3-4 rounds with 8-12 repetitions at once. Plank has a lot of variation and you can choose between the variation. For example, you can raise one leg for a few breaths and after the other leg. You can also bend the leg if you would like. Or you can just do waving movements, waving for one direction and the other direction, 6-8 waving for both directions. What's very important that you should have a good grounding with your palm and with your the ball of the feet, and you should engage your core muscles. And here at last I show you one version, which is the jumping version. It's very good for the root chakra. You should practice jumping in between the yoga asanas as well, because it's very good for the root chakra. And at last I will show you another version where you can make circles with your hip, maybe 4-6 in one direction and 4-6 in other direction.